Welcome to Across the Globe. Today, we will learn about Go templates. Go templates are a feature in Go programming that enables dynamic text or data rendering. By using templates, developers can generate output text based on specific data provided during runtime. This mechanism is crucial in web development for creating dynamic web pages or emails. For instance, a web application may employ Go templates to personalize email templates by merging user-specific data, such as name or purchase history, into the email content before sending. This approach streamlines the process of creating customized and relevant messages for a diverse user base. Templates are structured using double curly braces, indicated by to specify actions or data to be inserted. Variables are encompassed within double curly braces. For instance, variable. For instance, in a web development scenario, when creating a newsletter template, the recipient's name could be represented as recipient name within the template. This structure enables dynamic insertion and personalization based on individual variables or data elements. To create a simple template in Python, you can define a string variable with placeholders enclosed in double curly braces, like placeholder. Later on, these placeholders can be substituted with actual values using a formatting mechanism. For instance, consider the template, hello, name, today is day. To fill in the placeholders with real data, you can use the Python string method format. Within the format method, you pass the values to substitute for each corresponding placeholder. Example, template equals hello, name, today is day. Formatted template equals template.format name equals Alice, day equals Monday, print formatted template. This will output, hello Alice, today is Monday. When working with templates in Go, we utilize the execute method from the text template package to render the template with the provided data. This method takes the template and data as input arguments. For instance, if we have a template that contains placeholders for a user's name and email, we can pass the template along with the user's information to the execute method to generate the final output. This process enables us to dynamically fill in the template with specific data, making it versatile and customizable. To execute a template in Python, you can use the format method to replace placeholders with actual values. In this example, the variables name and day are replaced in the template string to generate the output. For instance, if template is hello name, today is day, and name is Alice and day is Monday, then the output will be hello Alice, today is Monday. Using Go templates is like creating a recipe for a cake. The template is the list of ingredients and instructions on how to combine them. Just like how you can use the same recipe to make multiple cakes with different flavors, you can use the same Go template to generate different outputs. The variables in the template are like the different types of ingredients that can be swapped out to create variations of the cake. By following the template, you can easily bake a delicious cake tailored to your specific needs and preferences. Hey, Code Conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The code demonstrates the usage of Go templates in Go programming. The template text variable contains a template with placeholders, adjective, verb, comparison for dynamic data to be inserted. We define a struct data with fields adjective, verb, and comparison, representing the data to be filled into the template. The template is parsed using template.new and parse functions, and any parsing errors are handled. Finally, the template is executed with the data struct as input, and the result is written to the standard output, os.stdout. By executing the template with the provided data, the placeholders in the template are replaced with the corresponding values from the data struct. In this specific example, the output would be a creative Go developer crafting using Go templates is like creating a masterpiece. This showcases how Go templates enable the separation of the template layout and content, allowing for dynamic generation of text or markup in applications ranging from HTML and email generation to configuration file templating and more. One industrial application of Go templates is in web development, where templates are commonly used to generate HTML content dynamically. By using Go templates, developers can separate the logic and structure of a web page, making it easier to maintain and update the content. Another real-world example is in generating reports or documents. Companies often use templates to create standardized reports with dynamic data fields. By using Go templates, they can easily populate the template with real-time data and generate consistent reports across different departments or clients. Across the globe, Go templates have proven to be a versatile tool for simplifying the generation of dynamic content in various industries, from web development to document generation. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.